Hey guys, it's Tony. Today, I'm thrilled to share my thoughts on a truly impressive vessel, the 54-foot pilot boat. I recently had the incredible experience of cruising and fishing in Galveston Bay aboard this beauty, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for any maritime enthusiast. First off, the size of this pilot boat is a game changer when it comes to navigating the open waters. It offers stability and comfort, making it ideal for longer journeys and providing a smooth ride even in choppy conditions. Now, what truly blew me away was the spacious and well-designed deck. Whether you're into serious fishing or just enjoying the view, the ample deck space accommodates it all. I could easily move around and find the perfect spot to cast my line, or simply soak in the beauty of Galveston Bay. But the feature that stood out the most for me was the advanced navigation and communication systems on board. The pilot boat is equipped with top-notch technology, making navigation safer and more efficient. It's a real confidence booster when you're out at sea, especially in unfamiliar waters. I wholeheartedly recommend the 54-foot pilot boat to anyone passionate about boating, fishing, or just exploring the open waters. Its size, design, and cutting-edge features truly make it a standout choice for a memorable and enjoyable maritime experience. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a casual adventurer, this vessel will undoubtedly enhance your time on the water. Happy cruising, everyone!